Today is Saturday, October 5th, 2019. Supposed to be like 83 degrees is the high today. And yesterday me and Aaron got our new Kubota delivered. And they got it out here late in the evening. And we had a little bit of time to come out here and do a little bit of work. But we want to come back out here again today and do some more. Working here along where the power line goes through, where we worked before, and I'll get a little bit of video of here what we done yesterday, and then what we want to get done today. We got a lot of brush laying around everywhere. So with that grapple, we came in here yesterday and picked up a lot of it on the ground. You can see this pile over here is what we piled up. And this whole area right here is where we picked it up from. Anywhere from that utility pole out to the right there. And we went up this trail right here. And we just scraped it up and picked it up with the grapple. And then stacked it up all right there. And I guess today what we want to get done is continue cleaning this up, get all these limbs and debris piled up right through here, all of this, all the way down there. We want to get it cleaned up enough where we can come along here and mow this area along this big bank with a riding lawnmower. So we'll get all that done. Probably try to get these logs dragged down over the hill. And I believe what we're going to do, I still have the brush hog hooked up to the 8N. So I think I'm going to bring that out here and see if I can brush hog a bunch of this brush up, and then we'll probably just push this pile that we stacked up last night, push it down there on the edge of the woods, and then maybe push these logs in that same area. It'd be nice to get them down in the woods out of sight, but I don't know, it's awful steep. There's a view of the power line trail. Got a car coming here. I'll go ahead and get a video up this way. And it's like super dusty out here. You can see where that car just drove through. We haven't had rain for several weeks. And weather forecast shows chance tomorrow evening. So it'd be nice to get a good rain and settle all this dust. And that's a good before video, and hopefully later on this evening I'll get a after video and it'll look a lot better. Yeah, okay, here we are with the after video. Got quite a bit done. We used both that 8N and the Kubota. Done a lot of brush hogging. Got the power line road brush hog there, most of it anyway. And we ended up shoving a lot of the brush down in the tree line there. And that's where the water line goes. And that goes up the road there. Yeah, got a car going by. Definitely gonna have to get some straw and put down here. But we pulled a lot of brush out from around those stumps and those trees with the grapple. And then we just hauled it down over to that tree line, like I said. A lot of brush in there. So we'll come back, and still got quite a bit to clean up around those trees and everything, and still got to get it leveled out more, and maybe probably end up having to plant some seed and put straw over it. Boy, somebody needs a muffler. And there we go. I also done a little brush hogging over here. We had that Kubota over here yesterday, and had some dead trees sticking out in this power line road, and we kind of just pushed them off to the side there. Got a little stack of brush there. So I came along, got this all brush hogged, and you can see over there on the other bank, the logs are gone that we shoved down over the hill. And got some brush hogging down in here. got coons or possums or something's getting in the trash dumpster there, and they like to grab the bread bags and spread them out everywhere. Then we used the Kubota yesterday and filled in this track where the trash truck comes in to dump the trash every Thursday. Probably gonna have to end up getting some more gravel and put down in there. I'm sure he drives through there a couple times and it's gonna squish back down, but we'll see how it goes.